welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you a DIY pantry under $100. Yes, $100. But before we get to the video, I do want to suggest to please hit subscribe, to like this video, and to ring that notification bell so you can get notified every time I have a new video up. So with that being said, let's get to it. Hey guys, so this is my kitchen, and as you can see, I do not have a pantry, so storage has always been an issue in this kitchen. But what I do have is an empty wall on the left, which is this wall. I'm so sorry guys, excuse the mess, but yeah. So that was just me measuring, making sure that it was gonna fit. It's very important that you measure the space before purchasing, especially something at Ikea that you have to build and then you find out it's too big or too small for the space. So very important to measure. So I ran to Ikea and I bought this cabinet, which was only $70. Okay, come on, it doesn't get better than that. My favorite part about that cabinet is that it's only 12 inches deep, so it doesn't take up a lot of space. But because it's 32 inches wide, then you have so much storage, especially for food. And with all this coronavirus that's going on, I had to purchase all these canned goods. I was so happy I had a freaking pantry. After that was built, I decided to give it a fresh coat of white paint just to make the cabinets look complete. I also wanted to match with my existing kitchen cabinets, so that's what I was doing here. As the paint dried, I drilled some holes on the doors to add drawer pulls. I made sure to buy the same style as my existing cabinets to give it a uniformed look. As you can see now, I have so much space, and it was a great way to just utilize that empty wall that was not serving a purpose on my kitchen. Let me know what you guys think if you want to try this at your house. Remember, it doesn't have to be a pantry. I really like the idea of putting this outdoors, maybe adding some cute plants on the top and storing some gardening tools, maybe small pool accessories. Anything you guys like. I'm gonna show you a quick before and after so you could remember how the space looked before this pantry. And that pretty much sums up my video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye.